sir?
that is no ma. Where you are storing this entire data? Are you using any HTTP request or the post method?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, right. Go ahead. Go for edit and delete.
Sir,
Okay. Acha.
it's it.
Okay, right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srinidhi. Okay. Can you just able to after this session, okay, in coming weekends, can you just able to see the last, I mean, previous week Thursday and Friday class recording, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so there you will be finding HTTP request, okay, and HTTP
Okay,
port
sir.
method. The same thing you have to apply in
Okay, sir.
okay in to-do list. Okay, just try it with the keep this to-do list and just update this for the code. Okay,
Okay.
just
Sir,
try and update it.
should I update and show you?
Pardon?
Sir, should I update it and show it to you?
Yeah, you just send me. Okay, you just send
Okay,
me
sir.
through in WhatsApp. I will look into it. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
try to analyze that previous week Thursday and Friday video. So there you will be finding HTTP request and RESTful API. With the same thing,
Okay.
we have to do it in the same. You just keep it this to-do list functional as it. Just follow that procedure. That's it.
Okay, sir. I will
Okay.
update.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Right. Because
Thank you.
there you will be finding a JSON. It seems okay. Like
Okay, sir.
creating a local JSON and DB. So with the same thing, you have to follow that. Just try it and just let me know. Okay. So far you have done a
Okay,
good
sir.
job. Okay. That's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Okay. Mhm. Monica, can you just mute? Monica, can you just mute it? Okay. So guys, in today's session, we are going to look into how we can able to create a file and push in a GitHub. Okay. So just go to it. Yes, Ashwini, do you have anything to say?
Sir, yes, sir.
Go ahead,
I also
Ashwini.
completed my assignment. I
Okay,
already
good.
shared, sir, but I think you.
Just a second, let me check. I think I might be busy. I think I might be. I'm seeing that, but I haven't replied it. I was stuck with some urgent work. So give me a second. Yesterday and yesterday. Mm-hmm. Okay, just a second. Can you just tell me can you just ping me, Ashwini? Yeah, okay, I got it. Yes. Yeah, I have saw your PDF, Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just give me a second. Okay, just give me a second. It's really taking us so much time to get loaded. Okay, I think it's a network connectivity issue. Should be.
Sir, or else shall I share my
No, no, no,
screen?
no, 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 no. I
Okay,
think
sir.
there is a network connectivity. No issues. So give me a second. I'll look into it. Okay. Good morning, sir. I completed assessment. So yeah, yes. So you have sent me at like around like 6 o'clock morning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I saw this, Ashwini. Okay. Okay. Great job, Ashwini. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. So now you are aware of the concept, right? So you don't have any other doubts. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, right. Sabri, you are going to submit on Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Ashwini, okay, right. So yeah, I think Monica has some doubt. Okay, we'll clear that. Okay, she has sent me a file, something. Let me look into it. What is issue she's facing? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. So right. Okay. Before moving on to that, okay. I'll just tell you how you are going to create a GitHub account, and then how you are going to push your code in GitHub. Okay. So how you are going to install the GitHub. Okay. So now let me just give me a second. Let me share my screen here. Okay. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, bro.
Okay, right. Okay. Okay, first you have to install the Git. Okay, Git installation. Go to your browser. First, try to install a Git. So here you will be finding a Git. Okay, just download it. Okay, for Windows. So you'll be finding here for Windows. So go for it and download what kind of standalone installer, like 64 or AMD. Okay, so it is a portable. So what kind? I mean, what kind of system the system is applicable for you? Just download it. Okay. So once downloading, you will be finding this. Okay. So you have to run that. I'll just show you because I have already installed in my laptop. So I am not going to run it twice. So I'm just showing you. Then go to your this and just open it. Okay. So once you are open, okay, it will be shown like this. Give an administrator control panel, and then you have to show, or you will be having a setup option. Then you go for an install. Okay, so once it is installed, your GitHub will be installed. Okay, so then automatically what will happen, it will be stored in your environmental variable. Okay, in case if it is not stored in the environmental variable, so you have to check where it is been located. So I am going to my PC, I am going to my local disk, and I am going to check on my program file. Here I am having my Git. Okay, so I am going to copy this Git with the help of an command. Okay, this is where we are going to give. So I have to copy this variable, I mean part URL, and we have to go to the environmental. Just type env. So here you will be finding. So go here. In case if it automatically install, then you don't need to worry. If it not, you have to check here. Go to path. Okay, and click on edit, and here you have to paste it. Okay, if it is checked if this command is given or not. If it not given, just copy the URL and create a new command, just give it. Okay, so this is how you are going to set up your Git. So once you have set up the Git, what you have to do is, so you have to open a GitHub account. Okay, so we have done a Git. Okay, so basically what is a Git? So GitHub is a hub of application where you are going to store your entire data. Okay, so where you are going to store your entire data file and this kind of thing inside a GitHub. So Git means, so it is a command, so where you are going to use how you are going to push it into your application. So this is one type of command. So now how you are going to move this process is, okay, I'm going to, okay, I'm going and just I'm writing my GitHub. Okay, I'm writing a GitHub. So yeah, just give me a second. Okay, so here you will be finding the first one. Okay, so otherwise you can go for this sign up for GitHub. So I will click on this first one, the first URL itself, then go to the sign up. Okay, and you have to enter all the details. Okay, so right now I'm just creating, okay, I'm writing my mail ID right now. Just follow this instruction, guys. Okay, it will be really easy. It will say the email ID you have provided is already associated with this account. Okay, so just a second. I think this account will be help, it seems. Okay, this is also is given. Okay. I can do like this, right? I can create. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay. Okay. So before that, okay, before that creating, I think we have to go look this to go your Git app. Okay. Once installation, it will be asking the user ID and password. So you have to declare that. Okay. So this one thing, just give me a second. And now, where it is, yeah. So let me use this at 2811. I'm writing my password and username. I'm going to write less. Okay. And let me keep it. I think username may contain only. Okay. Okay. India already available. Okay. 11 is not available. Okay. 11. So whatever it is, right? Okay, now. So if you want any email preference like subscription letter from them, you can able to click this account. So now I'm going with and I'm creating my account, right? So now here what I'm going to do is wait. So while creating, it will ask in verification. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now it will send an OTP. Okay, so I'm going to my OTP. I'm going to my email. Okay, I'm going with my email here. Okay, so go to my email. So here you are having a GitHub. Okay, so you are going to copy this code and go to your application and paste it, and automatically it will be redirected. So your account was successfully created. Okay, so now what we are going to do is you are going to log in into your application. So assume how I'm going to log in my application. Yeah, by writing my mail ID and password. Give me a second. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going with my password. Okay, I'm just signing it now. Yeah, so fun it is signing, you have created your GitHub account. So how you are going to push your code, I mean React code inside this GitHub. So for this, you have to first create a repository. Okay, so I'm creating a repository. Okay, I can able to give any name, like I'm going to give as a CRUD as of now. So create, edit, delete. Okay, so why it is, it will be really safe whenever you are working. Okay, sometime if you are not working, your system is getting crashed, the entire code will be gone. So for the safety purpose, you will be using the GitHub. So now I'm going to say you can able to keep as a public as of now, because you are not going to work in a real-time database. So as of now, you can able to keep the visibility as public, and you can also add the readme file, and you can able to add a git node file. Okay, if you needed, then if you want to add a license, you can able to add. So now I'm going to create my repository here. So once the repository is created, so here you will be finding, so what you have to, how you are going to clone into your application. Copy this. Okay, go to the code, you will be finding a HTTP. Copy this. Okay, go to your Visual Studio Code, right? Go to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, now file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to define in a separate folder. Okay, so here I'm going to select this folder. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone it. First I'm going to clone it, then I'm going to copy and paste the entire application inside this thing. Okay, so first one is, before that, the command is git clone, giving this. Okay, yeah, so now what here it is, I am clone into a CRUD, right? I'm just cloning my entire application into the CRUD. Just wait a second. Once it is cloned, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire file and I'm going to paste it inside my CRUD folder. Okay, okay, I think I have copied everything, right? So I have copied it. So now I want to push it into my GitHub. So what I'm going to do here is cd, okay, use as CRUD. I came to a folder. Now git add. Okay, wrote it down. So first you have to initialize git add, then you will be going with git commit. Okay, so what kind of commit you are going to give and the name you are going to derive. So now I'm going to CRUD service has been created as of now. So now it has been pushed into an application. So now how you are going to push it? So there is a command called git push. Go with git. If you write push, okay, so what is asking is unnamed permission to fuzzle is git to deny to al Mohammed Ryan. So now because already I have settled here in my application like al Mohammed Ryan, so this is the reason why I can't able to push it into my account. So now how I am going to access this, I mean how I am going to give it to from this account to this account. So instead of, I am going with my, okay, what you have to do is, okay, so you need to retrieve your username. So here if it is showing this, so what, there is a command, just note it this command, so it will really helpful for you. So now go with git config, okay, and go with global. Okay, I'm going with my global as a name, global, and then it will be like user dot name. Just a second. So md.fuzeil plus 01 at gmail.com. Okay, now click on enter. A same thing will be for email. I am sorry guys, I made a mistake. I think username will be fuzel11 -gif. Yeah, say 11 -gif. Okay, and the same thing for email will be now I can able to push my code, it seems. Unable to. Okay, if it is not, okay, if it is not working, so just give me a second. Let me check into my another account, GitHub account. So that will be like GitHub. So okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to collaborate this with this account to the another one. Okay, so now go to GitHub. Okay, repository. That is repository. Okay, repository. Okay, go to the settings. Mm, I'm going to my setting, and here I'm going to collaborate. So add people. I'm going to give 11. Okay, so I'm going to invite him. Okay, I've just invite action. Now, so now what I'm going to do is going to that GitHub account. So I'll be having some notification here. So he's called me to collaborate. So yeah, here it is. Yes, I have invited him. So I'm going to accept. So now I have collaborated with this one particular. Okay. So now, so how I'm going to manage this is, let me, where is, so now, okay, tab and wait.
Bro,
Go ahead.
I put some syntax in chat box, bro. It is correct when you use it, bro.
Just a second. Okay. Okay. First should be git remote. Okay. This is not the issue, Hari. The main issue is, I'll just
No,
let
bro.
you know.
Any one HTTPS link, bro. Use any one. You give two, bro. And instead, git remote add origin, bro. Git remote add
Okay.
origin.
Wait,
Next,
wait, wait.
you put the links.
It's already exists. See, this is not a issue. So the main reason is already I am having one account called Al Muhammad Ryan. Okay, so this is my usually I used to work whatever the thing I'm going to practice. So I am having this account. Okay, so this account is already been have the authentication in my system. So what is happening? The another account is can't able to create it. Okay, so there is an another way. That's what I'm checking it. We can able to keep two account at the same time. I'm just checking into it. That's the reason. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm going with credential manager. I'm going to window credential. Here I am having this thing. Okay, so now edit. I am going to give the username as at 11 icon. So the password will be okay. Right. So now what I'm going to do is let me check this again. I cannot do it now. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. So now it's showing again. Okay. So I have to log in this. So then it automatically connects to that. Okay. So now going to sign in with my browser. Please complete authentication. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, right. I got it. Yeah. Give me a second. Credential manager. So that. Okay. Let me close this. Mm-hmm.
If one GitHub account exists, then you cannot create new one, or like it will show an error.
No, we can create 2 or 3 multiple times. Okay. Right now, I just remove that my previous one. So that's what I again need to sign in. That's the issue. So there is an credential grid manager, right? So now it will show the ecosystem of credential creator. So now if I authorize this, so it automatically update into my system. Okay. Yeah. So now it is done. See here. Please complete. I will complete my authorization. So my entire code has been pushed into GitHub code. Okay. So just a second. I'll go with my credential. Let me check this whether I'm here or not. Yeah. Now it is here. So now what I'm going to do here is, okay. Yeah. So I have just pushed my code. So let us check whether it is working or not. Okay. So I'm not going to here. I'm not going to this. I'm not going. Yeah. If I click on refresh. See here, my file is been pushed into a GitHub. So now it is safe and secure. So now if it is your system has been crashed or something or these other things happen, so it will be stored in safe. Before that, once while you are working, everything, each and every step you are developing has been completed, you have to use this 3 command. One is git add, okay, and then git commit -m, git commit space -m, then you have to open in double quotes and write some like content, and then give a git push. Okay, so before giving the git push, it will show you to log in into a browser. So just give an authentication and automatically will be done. So this is how GitHub works. So now I want to push my application into a cloud server. Okay, right now I have done in a GitHub. So now I want to push in my application into a cloud, like free of cost. Like there are lot of things, like for an example, we can able to approach like Netlify. Okay, so this is one of the free thing. So we can able to upload here, and then also we can able to go with the render. So we can go with render, and then also we can go with Vercel. Okay, so Vercel is for Next.js framework. I don't think React will be applicable here. So Vercel is for Next.js framework and React. So these are the things, the basic thing we can able to upload is as of free of cost. So there is no, you don't need to pay anything. Okay, so these are the things that are available. Right now we are going to forward on Netlify, how we are going to push that. So for that, already I am having the same process. You have to log in give your credential, this kind of thing. So one it is done. So what you have to do is, already I am having my account, so I am not going to create again. I am going with my Netlify. Okay. So here, what I am going to do before that moving, see, it's asking me to log in. Okay, log in with the help of GitHub or log in with email ID. I am going to log in with my email ID. Okay. Okay, so I have just logged in with my email ID. So now what I'm going to do is, there are two ways. So one, you can able to add a new project, or you can able to import an existing project, okay, or start a form. So if this I click, I have to link my GitHub account. Okay, if I link this, I have to GitHub my link up account. As well, you can deploy manually. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deploy it manually. So now if I want to deploy manually, so I'm going with npm run build. First I'm going to create a build. Okay, so just a second. Okay, right, cd redux. Okay, Okay, so one it is done already. Inside my this I am having my build folder, that is one. So this I have to move into my application here. Okay, so I'm going to browse this. I'm going to my course, I think my React and Redux. Inside this I'm going to paste this. Okay, so now we have published a application. So it will take us some time to publish in a Netlify. If you want to change any URL and this kind of things here, can you able to see? Can you see? See here. So that was in local, or what we previous saw. See here. Is that clear, everyone? So how I push my entire React application into a website web host URL. Okay. So if you want to keep this a quick setup, so you can go for project configuration. So here if you want to change the URL name, so it is a default URL. So if you want to change any name, okay, change the project name. So instead of this, I want to keep it as a Redux CRUD. So whatever it is, like Hari code or Monica. So with your name. So what I'm going to Fuzel. Okay, Fuzel hyphen CRUD as of now. So if I save this, okay. Okay, so now I just see if I click this, see here, can you able to see? So this is how you are going to create in a GitHub, push your code entirely with the first safe and secure, then you are going to move into an application. Is that clear, everyone? If you're clear, just raise your hand. Yeah. So now I think Ashwini, Srinidhi, Rajesh, Hari, and Monica and Sabri. So you all you can try this, okay? Once if you have completed this process, just send me in WhatsApp, okay? Directly ping me PC. I look into it how whether the URL is working or not. So this is your next task. This is a small task. This is not an assessment. I just want you to complete as a next task, as a small task. Okay, your entire application should be pushed in inside this. Is that clear, everyone? If
Yes,
it is
bro.
okay, yeah, okay, you can able to try this, okay, and just give it a try, and then I'll just give it a try. That's it. It's not a compulsory, but just give it a try. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, done. So do you have any other further question, guys? Yeah, I think Monica code should be checked. She's telling that I'm having some issues. We'll check that. So what issues she's facing right now? Just give me a second. Where is the code, Monica? I think why, Monica, I can't able to download your GitHub zip file.
I have sent it.
Yeah, you have sent it, but I can't able to download it.
Why?
Hmm, wait a second. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do here is, think I'm going to my email itself. Okay, I directly share from my mobile to email. So I will check that whether I received or not. I think it's going on. Hmm. No, it's downloading. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, okay, first we'll check Monica's code. So she's facing a lot of problem. I just want to help you out, guys. Like files, React. Okay. So once extracted, okay, I'm going to open Monica's file. Just Monica, just follow this. So what kind of error you are facing, okay? Okay. Why she's facing lot of issues? Okay. Monica.
Huh.
So yeah, where is
There are
main.js file? Yeah, there are some files are there, some files are not there. So where are they?
one second. Here in go to component.
Hmm.
There are separate file for edit, create that and all. That
Okay.
whole thing I have that whole folder I have sent that main.jsx
Okay.
main.
Just give me a second.
So sorry to disturb, bro.
Go ahead, Hari.
I put it the link on chat box, bro. Netify.
Okay.
And the database is every time I put the npx this command in terminal, then only I can add the database. Bro. Automatically, it is not added. What
So
I do?
for which one you are asking?
Uh, wait, bro, wait.
Monica, I think you have made a mistake. See, You are not having any scripting and this kind of thing. That's what I told you. See here. I'll just tell you. It's okay. Yes, Ashwini.
So I put it the syntax
Just a sec.
in chat.
Yeah, just a second, Harry. See here, Monica. So see the
Mm.
difference. Yeah. See. So here I am having node modules, public, source, gitanor, est link, config, index.html, package.log, package.json, readme, white.config. So in your file, you are not having anything, only package and package.log JSON. This is the reason you can't able to run your application. First thing. Am I clear?
Huh.
Yeah, this is the
Like that
reason.
files are there, I think, but how to share? The entire folder I have shared.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Can you just share your screen right now?
okay.
And just share your screen. Okay. Hari, go ahead, Hari.
So I put in chat box, bro. This command I put in terminal, then only db.json is added on my
So
website.
where, yeah, in your website, right?
Yes.
So this you have to mention, right?
I will delete that, bro.
Wait. So if you have started this only, it is running, right? Yes, obviously. So it is a local. You are using the npx JSON server watch db.json. Okay. So you are working on local. So whenever if you are doing whenever you are doing this, okay. So automatically it will run into your application. Okay. So now they
I
yeah I got it.
I
So this
mentioned
is
inside.
yeah, I got it. So this is not an issue. Okay, so this is a port number. You have to install. I mean, you have to start your server. If your server is, you already have connected your server to the front end, right? So now you are not starting your server. Without your starting, how your application like CRUD service create, edit, delete, update will work. Right, for that you have to start this. Okay, so npx json server -f or db.json port, because you are working in db.json as a local variable. So you have to start this. Then if you start this, automatically it will be running in your basic CRUD application.
So
So how
now
you can,
he
yeah,
break, bro, break.
go ahead, Hari.
Breaking, bro. Your voice is breaking.
Okay, can you able to hear now?
Yes, bro.
See, so this is the db.json is a backend server. So you are running the server. So that will be running in your application itself. If you want to push it into your, I mean, if you want this to be pushed into any cloud server, okay, JSON file, you have to push your db.json in that, and you will be getting the URL. So these are the things, okay. So basically, if you want to start your server, you have to give this command in your application, then it will be applicable in your hari crud.netlify.app. Okay, so this is the process. Am I right?
Okay, bro.
Because you are connecting your server and your front end. Okay, you are connecting your server db.json into your front end. Okay, if you are connecting only, the basic CRUD option will be applicable. Do you understand now?
Yes, bro.
So this is the right purpose. Like npx JSON server, you have to start whenever. There is another matter. I have to look onto it. Okay, just give me a second. Let me check into my documentation. Let me say how we can able to proceed that. Monica, what happened?
Yeah. Like you were saying something, no, that's right. I'll
No, you
share
just,
this.
yeah, you just share your screen. I'm just helping Hari. That's it. You just share your
Huh.
screen. Hari, just
Huh.
give me a second, man. I'll get back to you. Okay, let me finish this thing, and
Okay,
I'll get back to you. Okay, just give me a second.
Huh. Now can you see?
Wait a minute, Monica. Yes, I can see now. Okay,
Here in
so
this folder it is there, but in
so
that
you,
folder,
yeah, you, what you have done is you have sent it a CRUD one page. Okay, not CRUD. Okay, you have sent the CRUD one. So that's the main reason. Okay. So, okay, you have done, here it is. So we'll check it here itself. Okay, just run your application, Monica. Let me check through it.
I think this is different one. This is the like you told that db dot API is this one is API that is for CRUD operations.
Yeah, that's the same thing. CRUD option API response is same thing. CRUD operation with the help of HTTP request and RESTful API. That's what I told you in assessment.
1 second.
That's what I told you in assessment.
But in that file, whatever I have sent, why these files are not there?
Which one?
The source component, the main file,
See,
index file.
because what you have sent is okay. So what you have sent is some of the file has been not properly installed. Okay. So whenever you are installing a template application, okay. Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'll resolve it as of now. Okay, I'll send you a documentation. Just give me a minute, Monica.
Okay.
I'll send you a pure documentation how to install. Okay, so you can follow that.
Okay. But like basic CRUD operations, like only just like to-do list, like just delete,
Yeah, that's
update
it. Basic
everything.
adopter. Yeah.
The whatever the file I have sent you, that will only do just update delete from the screen. But here this adding URL and fetching data, so that doesn't do. That's why I think this page doesn't have all these pages doesn't have in that. That is only white react we install, no?
Yes.
In npm white plus react, all these files will come, but only for only for not white, only for removing white, that will run in that code, I think.
See, you are creating an application, okay, with the help of White. Okay, so
Ha
White
ha.
is the application to run a server fast. So
Hmm.
whatever you are going to write, whatever you are going to create a component that should be done inside this React. So where you are created the White, okay. So that's the
Hmm.
main purpose, first thing. So
Hmm.
in what you have sent to me in terms of zip file, so there
Hmm.
is no public folder and there is no source folder. So there is only component folder, and there is no any app.css, app.jsx, index.js. There is no root folder itself. So then how the application will be run? The main.jsx file. Main.js file
Hmm.
is the only root folder that is applicable in the React application. It is not there. So how the
Hmm.
application will run? Do you
Huh.
understand now?
Yeah. But the white plus react is different from only react, huh?
Yeah, white plus react, okay, that's it totally. No, it's not different because in normal react we will be using we'll call as a short term as CRA, create a react app. Okay, CRA. Why? Because so it is really slow. So nowadays if there are lots of component getting involved in a react, so it taking more time to get a reloading, okay, for running the application, the template creation. So what the developers, what the react developer React entire React organization developers are taught is, instead of using directly normal template base of React, create React app, why can't we able to move into white? So some the other type of React, so same, but the engine is totally different by running it into a speed application. Okay, so that's the process difference between this CRA and white config.js. So making it little faster compared to a normal
Hmm.
React. Okay, so that's what we
Huh.
are using white as of now. So
Okay,
all the
okay.
similar team like use effect, use state, use ref, everything will be applicable inside white itself. Just running the application that takes if you are running in CRA, it will take like around 1 minute or something to reload, and here it will take in like around 20 to 30 seconds. So based on the
Hmm.
speed comparison only we are using white.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
just okay, just give me a second.
Here,
So
hmm.
just a second, Monica.
Okay.
Monica, I'm just sharing my screen, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a second. Is my screen visible to you?
Wait. Ha.
So this is how you are going to create, okay? So I will just explain to you. So npm is a node module package. So create is a function. So what kind of application server you are going to write, okay, at latest, and here you are going to known as a my app like CRUD, Redux or CRUD1. So this you have to mention, okay, and then give a space hyphen hyphen, then give a space hyphen hyphen, write a template. So what kind of template, like Vue, Angular, this kind of thing, and then give a template name and a React. Okay, so if you done this, automatically it will be created. The React application will be created.
React application will be created. That is fine. Like whenever like if we are adding those pages like edit, delete everything. So that time what happens is like this error will come. Those main pages will not there. So that is happened for me.
Okay, just share. Okay, just share your screen.
Hmm. Yeah, here see what this is CRUD one, no?
Yeah.
Ah. Here app.jsx, app.css, all the files are there. This is white plus React.
Okay.
Hmm?
Mm.
Here in other folder, the like this is other folder where basic CRUD operations are there in this folder.
Okay.
This one I have shared you. This one I have shared you. This is what I have opened. The main page, everything is there in CRUD, and this CRUD one is like I am facing the issue.
Okay, just go ahead. Just go to the CRUD one. Just open a CRUD one file. Hari, I'll just tell you. Okay, just if you want that db.json to be put into your server. Okay, so what you are going to do is create a GitHub account. Okay, so there you just write create a file like db.json. Okay, in a separate folder, just push it. Okay, so then yeah, I'll just send you a copy link. So you just follow this. Then if you nothing need to install, you're directly able to push it into the application environment. Okay, just I'll just teach. I'll just get back to this. Just give me a second. In Teams itself, I'm going to put this chart.
Hello, Ucha.
Hari, I have just send you a command in charts. Okay, just look that. So directly just create a db.json. So whatever the previous db.json is having in your file, okay, just copy that. Create a same file. Just the file should be move into your GitHub application. So there directly you can able to retrieve that. Okay. So just
Okay,
follow
bro.
this and it will.
I'm also
Pardon?
some changes in. I'm also some changes, bro, using ChatGPT.
Okay.
Um, I create a db.cgs file,
Okay.
and then package.json. Inside this scripts start server port create db.cgs and JSON server or like port pro.
Okay.
Then npm start server I like this, bro, using ChatGPT.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
I
now is
use
is it working or not?
no, bro, I can't working. I can't work to see, bro. Wait,
Okay.
I will tell you.
Yeah, just give me a second, okay. I'll look that into tomorrow, okay. So as of now, you just check that. I'll just work. I'll just get back to you on tomorrow, okay. If you have time, you just give me a call. I just look into it, and on Monday, I'll just teach you everyone, okay. Okay, right. So it's a similar matter, okay. Monica, yeah. What happened, Monica?
No, where to put, bro? You send this. You send HTTPS my JSON server.
Yeah. See, I have given you right. Write your GitHub
Yes.
username, okay, and
Okay.
then your repository name. So what you have given repository like CRUD, or so what kind of repository you have given. So that's it. So that you just paste it in your Axios file there. You just there paste it,
Ah,
okay. So where
okay.
now you are having the db.json, right? You are having the
Yes, bro.
db.json, right? So that entire
Yes.
db.json is as it is already in the gift, okay. You just access that, it automatically taken into an account. Just try that and let me know.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay,
Wait.
right. Yeah, Monica, just go to your code, Monica. What happened? Open CRUD one. You are opening the CRUD page. Why it is inside a CRUD file? Open folder. Go with CRUD one. Uh, so where it is? I can't able to see any root folder and this kind of thing. So how it will be able to write your application? Monica.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. In your CRUD one application, you are not having
Yeah,
any root folder.
in CRUD one, why it like here in CRUD it is there, like main.jsx everything is there, but in CRUD one why it is not there? Why
You
it is
haven't. Yeah.
problem in installing?
Yeah, that's what, you haven't installed it properly. So that's the main reason. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's the main. So apart from everything, you just do one thing, okay. Just follow what I have given you the template, okay. In this same itself, you just try to edit all the thing. That's it. Just whatever you have done, you just bring it to bring it to it in, and I will look into it. Okay. So you
Just
have
check the
Monday. Yeah,
just check the code. Like if I install properly, all these pages will come like main.jsx after JSX.
everything will
But
become, just you have to give the proper file redirect. I mean file redirect. That's it. Apart from that, everything is fine. I have just checked it, okay.
code is correct, huh?
Yeah, code is correct. Wait. In line number 6, you are giving a comma data, so that should not be applicable. So the
Where here,
data,
huh?
yeah, yes. The comma
Huh.
data is there. No, the data should
Hmm.
be come after the closing of close arrow. After the close arrow, comma.
Here no. Okay. And this
Wait,
DB.
no. It's not like that. Wait, I will tell you. After T is there, no. Just give just give a upper comma.
Here,
Quotation.
huh?
No. After P, after T, post T.
Huh.
Ah, give a
Sing
quotes,
single
single quote.
quota.
Yeah, single quote. Okay, then
Okay.
just remove that after
Comma.
that comma. Yeah, put a comma before that. Okay, so remove that also. Quote. And inside between the data there is a gap, right? The quotes and data. Just add a comma. That's it.
Okay. And here if I run this, that API data is not showing.
Okay, so why the API data is not showing? You are not running the db.json. So
Ah,
if you want,
db.json is not running. It is showing some error. Wait, I'll show you here.
okay, go ahead.
This JSON server was dot.
Wait. Okay, it's running. It's
Yeah, like
running.
if I click this,
Okay,
the no data is showing there. See,
see, data is showing.
data means that application should be there. No, like.
No, Baba. See, you are getting totally confused. The data.json is not an application, right? This is the data. So what you are going to get from your database in terms of JSON. So how you are going to map into your React application with the help of an URL. So that's the difference. So what you have, so far what you are thinking is why if I'm running the JSON server, why my application is not running? That's not an issue. This is the server application in local. Okay, there are various type of server application like creating a backend application and local server application. So now what you have done is, okay, you have run the server JSON server that is a local in your system that you are going to connect with your React application. Now do you understand? You just go to your Visual Studio. I will tell you. So how you go to that code. Okay, just there is an just save this file as of now.
Okay.
Create a new terminal. Open a new terminal. Okay. So now try to start a application. cd crud. No. npm run dev. So now just click on the URL. Why it is here? Hello Monica. We have to import that list page. Okay, just go there.
Where?
No, this is not the page. This is not a folder. Another one. So here it is.
This one, I think.
Go to my page.
Pages are.
Yeah.
Main
So
page.
go to main page.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have to create the list component. Okay, a post component you have to work. Okay, that's simple, Monica. This is how you are going to work. That's it. What you have done in the CRUD1 folder, right? Everything should be mapped here. Okay, you just bring now you are having component as a service, right? Now create a component, another folder name called list. Okay, and then inside give it list.jsx. That list.jsx to be imported in main pages. Okay, that's it. So there you can able to map your value.
We just have to give here like import that file name. That's it.
Yeah,
No?
file name, yeah, directly. That's it. This is how you have to do. That's it. Now do you
Okay,
understand,
paste
right?
everything. Yeah, paste everything inside this component folder.
Yeah, paste everything inside in a separate separate file name. Okay, add it.
Separate
So
file. Like
yeah,
there are four files separately.
yeah,
Those
there are
all
four.
files should be placed here. New file and
Yeah,
just
create a
importing.
new file and change the file name and just inside import it. So first what you have to do is you have to use first there will be a list, right? So in your code there will be a list. Just give me a second, let me check that. So I'll just tell you, so what kind of file you have to
Yeah,
add.
just
Okay, just
show only. Yeah.
yeah, just give me a second. Okay. Okay. After change. Array. Create. edit home. Okay.
So I have one doubt, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Just give me a hurry. 1 minute, hurry. Monica, just note it down, Monica. Home.jsx should be come inside your main page. Okay. Home.jsx should be come inside your main page. Okay. அது வந்து நீ வந்து இம்போர்ட் பண்ணணும். அது எப்படி பண்ண போறேன்னா காம்போனன்ட் ஃபோல்டர்ல அது போயிட்டு பேஸ்ட் பண்ணு. CRUD ஒன்ல இருக்கிற ஃபோல்டர்
Component here
inside a inside a
one file,
component.
new
You
file.
have to create a file, write the name
Okay.
as home.jsx, write it home.jsx,
Okay, enter.
and அது வெளியே வந்தது go to that folder and just copy paste here entirely.
Every like all the
All
whatever
the
file.
whatever the home.js what you are having there, you just copy paste here. That's it. அதே
Okay,
மாதிரி
home
சேம்
like
எல்லாமே வந்து காம்போனன்ட் குள்ள போடுங்க. போட்டுட்டு எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க, நான் சொல்றேன் அதுக்கப்புறம்.
like all the files like in .jsx file only.
Yeah, the JSX file only. All the files should be in JSX file. Okay. Yeah, Hari, go ahead, ma. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to create. Wait. What I'm going to do is, there is a fake store API, right? I'm going to copy all the variable and going to paste it in my db.json. That from that we are going to run a local. So there we will be able to connect it. Okay. Instead of directly going to that, so will be so that we can able to know whether we are changing the function, like functionality has been changing or not. We can able to check that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. We'll done that. Okay.